Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on creating a UML class diagram using Software Ideas Modeler. Today, we're going to expand our knowledge by starting from scratch and building a comprehensive class diagram, including classes, attributes, operations, and relationships. Let's begin. To kick things off, navigate to the Insert tab located in the ribbon. Here, we'll start the process of creating a new class diagram. Click on the Insert to Project button. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. From this menu, select Add New Diagram. This action will open the New Diagram dialog box. In the dialog, navigate to the UML group and choose the Class Diagram item. This is where we define the type of diagram we're about to create. Let's name our diagram Products. After entering the name, click on the OK button. This will create and open the new diagram in the main window, ready for us to start editing. With our new class diagram open, let's add our first class. Locate the class tool in the toolbox. Click and drag its button onto the canvas, then release to place our first class. Name this class Product. It will serve as the foundation of our diagram, representing the main entity. To add attributes to our class, simply press the down key while editing the class name. Let's add our first attribute, product number. After typing the name, add a colon. This triggers a drop-down menu, allowing us to select string as the type. Continue pressing the down key to add more attributes like name, description, and price. Select the appropriate data types for each from the drop-down. Now, let's add some operations. By pressing Ctrl and the down key, we can add an operation without using the mouse. Enter Activate as the operation name. Similarly, we can add Deactivate and Add to Category as operations. Notice the symbols before the attributes and operations. These symbols indicate the visibility: minus for private, hash for protected, tilde for package, and plus for public. Next, we'll add subclasses to our product class. Using the Add Subclass button, create a laptop and a smartphone subclass. This demonstrates the inheritance relationship in our diagram. To enrich our subclasses with specific features, we will add attributes using a highly efficient method. Let's focus on the laptop class first. Notice the context bar that appears when you select the laptop class. This bar offers a variety of options for modifying your class directly. Look for the Add Attribute button within this context bar. Clicking this button instantly prompts you to add a new attribute to the laptop class. Now, let's type in Has Touchscreen Boolean as the attribute name and data type. This action effectively adds a new attribute, indicating whether the laptop model features a touchscreen. Next, we'll apply a similar approach to the smartphone class. Selecting the smartphone brings up its context bar. Once more, you can click the Add Attribute button located in the context bar, or alternatively, simply press the 2 key on your keyboard. This shortcut offers a swift and convenient way to add attributes to your class. For the smartphone, we'll add Has Stylus Boolean as an attribute. This specifies if the smartphone comes with a stylus. To implement an interface, drag the product class using the right mouse button and choose Add Interface Realization from the context menu. Name the interface iProduct. Now, let's explore the aggregation relationship. Begin by adding another class to our diagram, which we'll call Category. Use the same method to place this new class onto our canvas. To illustrate the relationship between our product and category classes, we'll use the aggregation tool. Find and select this tool in the toolbox. With the aggregation tool selected, click on the category class and drag towards the product class. Release to connect them, forming an aggregation relationship. Once connected, you'll notice label boxes appear around the relationship line. These labels represent the roles and multiplicities, which we'll now customize. Click on the label near the category class to edit the start role. We'll name this Parent Category and set its multiplicity to 1, indicating each product belongs to one category. Next, click on the label near the product class. Here, we'll set the end role as Products and choose a multiplicity of many. This indicates a category can contain many products. Finally, let's name our relationship. Click on the central part of the relationship line to add the name Categorization, succinctly describing the nature of this connection. By defining this aggregation relationship, we've clearly illustrated how products are categorized within our system, enhancing the comprehensiveness of our UML class diagram. To further refine our diagram, we'll now add a self-aggregation to the category class, representing a hierarchy of categories. To do this, we once again select the aggregation tool from the toolbox. With the aggregation tool selected, drag it from the toolbox and hover over the category class. Release the mouse button to create a self-aggregation relationship, visually indicating that categories can have subcategories. Now, let's define the roles and multiplicities for this relationship. Click on the label near the aggregation point to edit the start role. Name it Parent Category and set its multiplicity to 0 to 1, indicating a category may or may not have a parent category. For the end role, name it Subcategories and choose a multiplicity of many. This setup illustrates that a category can encompass multiple subcategories, forming a hierarchical structure within our category system. Next, we'll examine another important relationship type, usage. Let's introduce a new class called Price Setter, which will be responsible for setting the price based on the current pricing strategy. Find the Usage Connector tool in the toolbox. This tool helps us illustrate the interaction between classes. With the Usage tool selected, click on the Price Setter class and drag towards the Product class, then release. This creates a usage relationship, signifying that the Price Setter class utilizes the product for setting its price. You've now mastered the essentials of adding classes, detailing them with attributes and operations, and intricately defining relationships within Software Ideas Modeler, all while minimizing the need for mouse use. This proficiency paves the way for you to delve deeper into the software's capabilities, enabling you to craft even more complex and nuanced diagrams for your projects. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy modeling with Software Ideas Modeler.